Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your gender on Dress to Impress. Okay guys, this is the newest version of Dress to Impress Valentine's update. And on this update guys, you will be able to change your gender right here. Just go to the salon and here you will be able to change your gender. As you can see, this is my current gender and I'm going to change it to male. I'm just going to click on yes. Okay, and now it's done and you can continue to dress your avatar using this outfit, male outfit. Okay, just like this. I'm just going to put on the male outfit. Okay, that's so cool, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to change gender on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video guys.